I am getting us packed up for our trip tomorrow before we head out for 3 nights. So it's a 4-day trip. We've got just some like dry food things. This is the coffee making stuff. I'm realizing I forgot to bring a bag of coffee out here. So dear God, I hope I remember that or we'll have a very grumpy Casey. The kitchen is packed and the pantry is packed except for coffee. I'm gonna grab coffee. And doing some laundry so I can pack everybody's clothes, or Henry and I's. Casey will pack for himself, obviously. We're getting packed. It's very exciting. Henry's turning lights on.
Oh, we're just gonna get packed our VFs.
Yep, why don't you grab Doggy and George? We're gonna go in for a little bit so I can get our laundry ready and packed. We are getting ready to go on our second RV adventure to, where are we going? Lost Bridge Campground on Beaver Lake. So it's not too far from home for us. And we're gonna stay 3 nights. So we've got 3 nights, that's 4 days, that's tons of time. We've got a whole weekend. Casey's gonna work a little bit to test that out. It's gonna be so much fun. Henry is set to go. He's got his Moana soundtrack, 2 whole graham crackers, and anything else you might need. Looking pretty cool, kid. I don't think you can hear me. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Hooray!
Your water bottle's in there if you want it.
I brought a different one this time.
Okay.
Okay, change of plans. Our catalytic converter was stolen from underneath the RV while it was parked in our driveway between our last trip and today. We don't know when.
Unfucking believable.
We're still like going through our security camera footage, but we spent our morning, instead of driving to our campsite, filing a police report, calling our insurance, and Casey's working on all of that stuff.
It took me a while to process what I was seeing. I was like in denial, like maybe it fell off. Is it under here somewhere? Maybe these pipes shifted forward and just came unplugged. No, it's just gone.
I want to take the video.
Henry wants to take this video. So today I'm just gonna get us ready for car camping, which is something that was not in the plan at all. So I have to, that's a lot of like mental gymnastics to figure out what we need. But we have everything, we just have to get it all together. So this will be a car camping video instead of an RV video. And yeah, I guess we have some repairs and parts to figure out. Yeah, I don't know. This is hard to record. It's a very emotional, unpleasant feeling to have something stolen from you, especially like on your own property where you are all of the time. Hopefully we can all kind of start figuring out how to solve it and have fun camping in the car tomorrow. It's supposed to be beautiful weather, so yeah, I guess I better get packing for that.
Bye-bye, RV. I'm gonna take it under any bridges. It's way up there.
We're packing for tent camping, which I kind of thought we would never do again. This is as condensed as we could get. We're now, after one trip, used to the whole RV.
Much better at tent camping, but
Yeah.
since we're RV liking it, it's a totally different deal now.
Totally different deal. This is all kitchen food plus a cooler. Hey, that's not too bad. Casey's bag, my bag. Oh, and the tent. So yeah, we're gonna camp in our tent. Let's load it up.
You ready to go?
Is this what?
Hey, you need to change clothes. You're still in your jammies.
Is it comfy?
I think I see it.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's tough.
How's your fancy chair?
Oh, I'm a fancy chair. This is good.
Alright, we cleared the acorns. We still need to stake this thing down.
Mom, let's make breakfast.
Is it morning time?
Yeah.
We had these two sleeping bags from a bike packing trip. Henry's gonna have one of those, and Casey's gonna have one of those. Mom and Dad each have a mat. Henry's laying on a sheet, folded up, so he should be okay. And we've got some blankets.
Jump up. Dad's coming to help. Here I come. Yep. How's that?
Some on the right side. George had bad dreams while he was sleeping.
Sorry, George.
He had dreams of nightmares.
Oh. We're on the dock. What do you think, Henry?
Good.
It's good? Blake? Here comes some little waves.
Sailboat's getting him some good action.
So it's our second RV trip and we're not in the RV. So it's really just a fall camping trip, which is actually really nice. It's a little more simplified, a little more primitive, I guess. And we're at a pretty nice campsite. And then Henry doesn't remember ever sleeping in a tent because it's been that long. So it's kind of a cool experience for us to be able to do this. And we're lucky that the weather was nice enough to sleep in the tent.
Time since we've been in this tent.
It's been a long time. Yeah. You were a baby last time we went camping.
Yeah, I was a baby. Remember that?
I'm heating up the Dutch oven because I'm going to try to make frozen French fries in the Dutch oven.
I think it's gonna work.
And if it's hot, I'm like preheating the oven.
Preheating the oven.
Yeah.
Do you need some help getting up there a little bit?
I want to do that.
Okay, hang on. What do you think? Is that frozen? I hear it sizzling, Mom. They are deep frying in there.
On this side.
What you drawing, Monkey?
I drew a person.
Let me see it. I love the way you draw people. it's always like a head with two giant eyes and then the two little legs coming out the bottom. But like in his mind, those are legs sticking out the bottom. But to me, it looks like a body shape, and it looks like the characters from Cyanide and Happiness.
The exploded gas goes out into space, and some of it may be used to make a new star. Okay, let's make it nice and long. You can come sit in my lap.
Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Boy, it popped out of the fire, didn't it? That's what you get for bragging about the yummy zone. You're happy with yours?
Mine looks like that.
Yeah, only you didn't drop it on the ground, which is good. Yum.
Campfire food's good.
It is good.
Hot dogs and French fries.
Hot dogs and French fries.
Yum. Oh, we get to watch another boat. These people are pros.
Stay tuned for our video next week, which includes the second half of our trip. We go hiking, explore some really cool ruins. I was gonna say ancient ruins, and then I got really
Explore
down.
the Mayan ruins of Montenegro. And we find the guy who vandalized our RV and beat him up with hot dogs.
No!